This is hot water heater. The heat source in this gas water heater is burner flame. A chimney extends from the bottom to the top of reservoir to efficiently transfer heat. Cold water comes in through top, absorbs heat and leaves through the exit pipe. Now how can hot water heater be a conductor? When it's time to heat the water and insulator. When it's time to keep heat in. The bottom of the water heater and the chimney are both made of metal. Metals do a fantastic job conducting heat. That's because, speaking on an atomic scale, they have free electrons. Tiny particles that move from atom to atom spreading heat. Okay, the flame heats the air, which heats the bottom water heater. Thanks to the conductive properties of metal, the heat is transferred to the water. But there's more. A baffle in the chimney slows the air. It must work its way through the zigzags. A clever design which optimizes heat conduction. It can also conduct heat from the hot water to air outside the tank. Water heater is also a perfect insulator. Thanks to this polyurethane foam. It's the exact opposite of metal. It traps heat. Foam is made up of billion tiny gas bubbles. The gas bubbles are terrible at conducting heat. It doesn't have any of those famous free electrons. This makes transferring heat much more difficult. The heat is trapped and stays inside the reservoir. Thanks to insulation, the water heater keeps water hot for a long time.